Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's DJ Veshi. Oh, najua mlikuwa mmenimiss, ndio. I went missing for almost 1 month, but I'm finally back with some new content, huh? So today tutafanya about my skin care routine, what I normally do to my face. Najua bado saa hii iko poa, but with time itakuwa na glow. Let me show you what I normally use on my face, on my skin, okay? So after nimetoa makeup, most especially I normally use the Garnier Skin Active product only. I don't know how to read this name over here. Sijui kuisoma, sijui Garnier whatever. So ukitoa makeup, the first thing when I remove my makeup, I normally use this Garnier Skin Active water for removing my makeup. Hii sana ni ya kutoa tu makeup tupu. This one. You just use a cotton wool, you wipe your makeup off. Then after that, uingie kwa procedure ya kutengeneza uso. So guys, bila kuwachelewesha, the first product I'm going to use. No. Natumianga product. The first one is the pure 3-in-1 active. This one, you can see it. This product inaweza tumika in 3 ways. Inaitwa pure active 3-in-1. It can be used to wash, scrub, na pia unaweza itumia kama mask. You can see hata imeandikwa hapa. These 3. Oh, lighting. These 3, unaona? These ones here. Mask, scrub and wash. So hii ndio ya kwanza tutatumia. Plus imeandikwa the instructions hapa, so tunatumia this one, the first product. Now before you wash, you should always put water on your face. Make sure uso wako iko wet. Hapa hivi niko na waba. Make sure your face is wet. So the first thing ni kuchukua maji, you wet your face like that. Maji ya uhai. My hair. After my wet uso yako, you take the pure and 3 active product, you put it on your hand, just like that. Don't put a lot, just a little bit. You see, just a little bit. Inakuanga na tu vitu tunatumia ku scrub them. You put it on your face like this. You see? Make sure ujaika kwa manini, kwa macho, ijaingia kwa macho, si poa. Mtu usikia kuwashwa. It's not advisable. In case ingia kwa macho yako, make sure umeosha as soon as possible, okay? So you wash your face with it. Halloween. Kama unaosha uso just like this. Unaulizanga siku mbona tokanga na sura ni soft hivyo. Zimenyoka nyoko. You wash for like just a few seconds, not 1 minute, just a few seconds. Then after that, you wash the face. Ooh, Jesus Christ. Maji baridi. Sani maji. Imeisha. Mkira naosha uso yangu fani. Mniambie venye mnaoshanga uso zenu hapa kwa comment, mnaona? Sijui kama nimeosha kabisa, ndio sijioni. Naogopa kufungua macho. Let me take your towel. You wipe your face. I normally start off with my eyes, huh? Oh shit, sijaosha huko hata. Guys, can you see the difference in my skin? Mbona inakaa poa? I recommend you use this product for your face. Then you wipe your face. Ikauke. Ikauke. See? Imekauka. Then the second procedure you use the same product, this one, you scrub with it, use it as a scrub, okay? So this time atuta apply nini maji kwa uso. You scrub it on a dry face, okay? So let's go. Let's get it. Oof. Haha, Veshi. Najuaje wali nakwanga mrembo hivi. Wana drati. Mwana anakaa kadoli. Shida yake. Urembo ni gharama. Yeah. Haha. Naitwa Veshi. Mimi DJ. You scrub your face like this, just gently. Make sure ijaingia kwa macho. You just scrub it. You can also use this thing by way as a mask. You leave it for 2 to 3 minutes, but leo sifanyi mambo, leo siweki kama mask. Leo nataka kuwash and scrub only. Just like that. Just like that. By the way, guys, go check out my new song. It's called Mpaka Che. Iko kwa page yangu ya DJ Veshi. Zikishika zinashika mpaka che. So hizi zinashika mpaka 1 minute. It's thick, you see? Forgive me. Then you wash your face again and again. Make sure umeosha kabisa. Teacher alikuwa anasema thoroughly. Okay, I know I'm not funny, but I try to entertain me. So guys, imagine nilikuwa naoga leo nikiwa high school. Nilikuwa naogopa maji baridi. Jesus. Girls should not fear water. Usiogope maji ya uzima. Kama Jesus alitembea juu ya maji, hata wewe unaweza iweka kwa uso wako. Maji ya uzima, uninyonyeze ya maji, nijioshe nitakase, utamu wa skincare, ndio utamu ya urembo, lazima kunawa nyongo. Guys, nimeng'ara uso jinsi jio. Where have I kept my towel? Oh, it's here. Oh shit, mbona shani kusahau hii part ya nywele. Hii ndio natuma nywele yangu isimee, si ndio? Utamu wa maji wanaume ni kuoga, umesikia? Guys, immediately after scrub sometimes kanga ikiwa soft. Just look at my face. Brown skin girl. Brown skin just like my mom. Oh. By the way, guys, hii Pure Reactive sana inatumika kwa watu wako na oily skin. Oily skin, okay? If you have an oily skin, use this one. It's the best. The best. Use it every day, by the way. Every day. Now I'm done using this water. Oh fuck. So guys, the next process tunaenda kutumia. So the first thing you use after umepanguza makeup with this sijui micellar whatever cleansing water, ina kutoa makeups, okay? Makeup. It's very, by the moment tu unapaka tu kwa sponge, unafanya tu nywe, inatoanga direct. I advise you, I just bought it recently, so sijaitumia sana. Ile ingine yangu iliisha, so mbona kako hapa. Hii sasa ndio iko karibu kuisha. Ona mayakanaka. Anyways, I advise you guys to buy this one. It's not expensive. zangu nilioda Jumia. So the next thing we are going to use, guys, ni hii Even and Mate. This one is a soft smoothing toner. Ina soften skin. So check it. Mbona venye nanyoka? Oh, check it. Inanyoka nyoko. Ina revive na inaacha freshness kwa uso yako. Na sijaelewa kusema ingine lakini najua ni poa. But most importantly, when a soften your skin, when a soften. Just look at my face. I know I have some pimples, but check it. By the time for the nimeitumia for like 1 week and I'm noticing some changes. My pimples naanza kuisha, my dark spots, see? Naanza kuwa soft. Na mtu ananiuliza, mbona niko na skin smart hivi? Tumia pesa, invest on your body. Then so this one you're going to apply it using a cotton. Wait. Not this cotton. Just size yangu sijui kwenye iko. So I've decided to use this one, just a normal cotton. Even it has been written, use it on a cotton. No. Yeah, apply to cotton wool. This is a cotton wool. Mimi sijui cotton wool nyingine. With gentle circular movement. So una apply, inakanga white. You drip just like that. Then fuck. Forgive my impoliteness. Una apply hapo. Then I'm gonna add some more. Give it to me, I'm more there. Oh baby, I'm more there. Give it to me, I'm more there. It looks like that. Una apply hivi, check it. Just like that. This is my normal skin routine. I do it every day, every morning and evening. After nimetoka shule, job. Since lala before nimefanya skin routine yangu. I know you guys admire my lines. It's smart, yeah. White. Anyway, guys, you see? Give it to me, I'm all there. Nyoko. See, guys, when I see my face, I feel that. Sijui niendelea aje hapo. Anyways, guys, after I apply the soft smoothing toner, inakaa hivi. It looks like this. Oh, lighting. It looks like that. Just like that. Nitawaambia prices after nimemaliza all this. So the next thing you're going to apply is the Even Mate Ideal complexion. Yeah. Ngoja kusema hivyo. Leo nasikia kukohoa. Ideal Complexion Daily Cream. Hii nayo ni anti oil na anti sweat. Ukijipaka hii mtu asweating ya kwangi, ushijipaka makeup then unaona ukishine unakaa oily, mara una sweat, sijui whatever. Hii nayo ukijipaka hii mtu asweating, by the way. I'm for real, okay? Anti oil na anti sweating. Na pia ni anti marks. Inaanza kuona black spots zangu zinaanza kuisha, see? I've started to notice, unaona? And I've just used it for 1 week only. Maybe imagine I'm supposed to use it for only 1 month. Just imagine skin yangu itakuwa inakaaje. Anyways, let's apply this one. This one you use it after you have used the toner. This one, the toner, looks like that. Yeah. So ubaye kitu mtu kijipaka na kanga. Slowly. You do like that. Then in circular movement you apply. But when I kijipaka makeup, the first thing I normally do, I normally apply this one. Then I do my makeup. Nikijipaka iwa si sweat, sikwangi na skinny na shiny skin, yani oily, I mean. It's the best. is the best. Inatumanga so buy kitu. I don't know why, but yeah, I think it's nice. And that's the final look, guys. And then ukijipaka hivyo, then you can do your makeup or you can go to sleep, whichever you want. But I normally use this product in the morning and in the evening, every day, every single day. I normally use this product. Najua nakaa white, lakini inakuanga hivyo. I don't know why. Nyi watu mnajita gani? Make sure mtu asikuwa anaachwa na white sijui what on the face, no? No. Check it out. But ina disappear after some few minutes. Just after some few minutes. Yeah. So guys, that was my skin routine, which I normally do every single day. Every single day. I normally do that. Najua nakaa white, but hii cream inakuanga hivyo by the way. I don't know, I think ni hivyo ndio imetengenezwa, but inakuanga hivyo, inachanga mtu ika white kwa skin. I don't know why, but it's okay. Uzuri zinanisaidia. So guys, these products, all of them. Where is the other one? These ones. I bought them on Jumia. I ordered them in Jumia. So kitaka nini, enda Jumia. I'll put the link down below. Enda Jumia, you order them. They are very cheap by the way. Just as Jumia wakona sale, wakona offers. They are very cheap. I only bought them for only $16. Not 16,000. 1600 Kenyan shillings. Ama naweza tumia dollars. $16. Only $16. So guys, that was for today. So if you want me to do a makeup tutorial, I will do it for you guys. Even though I'm not that good in makeup, and I know some basics. I know to do my eyebrows, my eyelashes, I don't know. But tutaongea. If you want me to do a makeup tutorial, leave a comment down below and I'm gonna do it for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you like this video, put a like, a thumbs up, a thumbs up. Bye bye my people, bye. Till we meet again. Bye guys. Thanks for watching my channel. Hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, that's all for today. I don't know, you want me to relax my hair just like that? Ooh, and then I know I look sexy. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.